The Krav Maga self-defense system places great importance on training with common, ordinary, everyday objects as defensive tools. And we've chosen to introduce this subject first because the reality is using a chair, sports bag, or other readily available object within reach makes more sense than risking damage or injury, even if you are highly trained. Does it make sense to go against a deadly knife attack using your bare arm if, say, a chair is available? Obviously, a situation may arise where your only option will be to defeat the attack using an unarmed technique such as a block with your arm, a subject we will go into in more detail on the following DVDs. For now though, remember, we live in an environment of objects. Now, unlike the dojo, training area or ring, we move through a maze of objects every day. Look around you now as you watch this DVD. What do you see? What objects could you use if you were attacked right now? What do you have on your person that you could use as an improvised defensive weapon? Where is the nearest exit or escape route? The bottom line is this: the majority of people tend to be less focused on what is happening around them. And usually, they are more preoccupied with thoughts, problems, and general worries of daily life. How many times have you accidentally bumped into someone because you didn't see them? Or passed by someone, a really good friend, and they said hi to you before you said hi to them? Now we're going to show you in the following DVD how with a little time and effort you can become more aware of people and objects in your vicinity, how to identify possible problems, how to use common, everyday objects to defeat an attacker. Now we want you to start right now to take a more detailed look at your environment, where you work, where you relax. You see, if you aren't shown how to develop these skills, you don't train, then the fear and shock of an attack will overwhelm you and you will shut down in a time of need.